Welcome to another episode of Jumpin In The Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today this is what's jumping in my pot. Carrot loaf cake with cream cheese frosting. Let's get to the ingredients. Granulated sugar, pure vanilla extract, salt, nutmeg, cinnamon, ginger, chopped walnuts. You can use pecans if you like. Also, raisins, crushed pineapples, grated carrots, eggs, baking powder, oil, and the flour. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. I have a mixing bowl here and a whisk. We're going to add the sugar, the eggs, and the oil. We're going to whisk these ingredients up together. See? There. Now we're going to set that to the side, and we're going to take the flour, and I'm going to add the nutmeg, the cinnamon, the ginger, the salt to the mix. Then we're going to mix the flour and all of these ingredients up together. And I already add the baking powder to the flour. Now let's add the vanilla extract. We mix this in. Now we're going to add the raisins to the wet mixture, the walnuts, the crushed pineapples, the grated carrots, and mix all of this up together. Now we add the flour mixture. We mix this up. We're going to bake this carrot loaf cake in for about 50 to 60 minutes. I have a loaf pan here that I oiled and floured it so the cake wouldn't stick to the pan. And I have the batter already mixed up. Now we're going to add it to the loaf pan. And I'm going to pop it in the oven. And then we will come back and make the frosting. While the carrot loaf cake is cooking in the oven, we're going to make the cream cheese frosting now. I have some cream cheese in this bowl. I have unsalted butter. Pure vanilla extract. And we're going to mix the cream cheese and the butter together. Mixing it till it gets a soft consistency. See? Now we're going to add powdered sugar. We'll add a little at a time. And I have a little whole milk here. We're going to add a little bit to the bowl. And we're going to add more. I think we can add it all in now. See? The cream cheese frosting. Now we're going to set this to the side and wait on the cake to finish cooking. Here you have it, carrot loaf cake with cream cheese frosting. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.